Today is so hot. Your taxi, your taxi, your taxi. Hello, Surush.
Yes, boss.
I want to buy car right now.
I'm busy working.
No, car now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sending, sir.
Why so much time taking?
Sir, this is your new car.
Why you late? Do you know I am busy man?
Sorry, sir, my phone is broken, sir.
Come, buy you new phone. What phone do you need?
I will buy an iPhone.
You boy, give me iPhone.
Sir, this is a Silpack phone and these are the open box phone.
I need all